Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Earlier we have seen how to find out the rank of a word when there is no repetition. In this session we will see how to find out the rank of word with repetition. Before jumping into how to find out the rank of a word with repetition, let's understand how the number of words formed is changed when there is a repetition. For that we will take a simple example. Let us take a simple example to understand this. We will take dam, D-A-M, dam, and I have another word, D-A-D, dad. Let us see, you know that these two words are of 3 letters each. So, we know D-A-M will form factorial 3 words. D-A-M, 3 into 2 into 1. We know that we will, since it is only small word, so we can easily write down what are they. So let's just write them down. Let us say starting with A, I have ADM, then I have AMD, then starting with D, I have DAM, comma DMA, then starting with M, I have MAD and MDA. So you can see that if it's a 3-letter word, you have 3 slots to be filled. First one can take any one of the 3. Second one will have only 2 to choose. The third one will be 1, which is nothing but equal to factorial 3, which equal to 6. Now, if there is a repetition, like you can see dam became dad, you see that DAD, that means D is repeating 2 times. Now, what we will do now to answer this easily, we will convert this as D1 A D2, and at the end we will say that D1 equal to D2 equal to D, and we will see how many words are formed by this. So let's write them down. Start with A, start with D1 and start with D2. If I start with A, I have D1 and D2. The next word will be A, D2 with D1. Then starting with D1, I will have D1 A D2, and also I will have D1 D2 A. If I start with D2, I will have D2 A D1, and also I will have D2 D1 A. Now it's time for us to change D1 D2 to D so that we can see how many are duplicated. ADD, that's one word we have. This is also ADD because D1 is D2 equal to D. Similarly here I have D1A, DAD, dad, and the next one is DDA, and the next one is again DAD, dad, and I have again DDA. Now you can see that we have formed 6 words, but out of them 3 are duplicates. ADD is again repeated, DAD is again repeated, DDA is again repeated. So what we understood now, if D is repeating 2 times, then the number of words formed is nothing but equal to factorial 3, what it should be, but you have to divide by factorial 2. So by this observation, can we make a general formula? Let's make that. What we are saying now, if the word is having any letters repeated, then you have to divide by how many times that particular letter is repeating, because we are generating duplicate words. So we don't want to have the duplicate words. Suppose, let's take one example. Let's take madam, M-A-D-A-M, or for example radar. Okay, right. So if you take madam, we have total 5 letters, so it should be factorial 5, but we have M repeating 2 times, so I have to divide with factorial 2. Again A is repeating 2 times, so I have to divide with again factorial 2. Actually madam should form 120 letters because factorial 5 is 120, but it is forming only 120 by 2 into 2, 4, 120 by 4, 30 unique words. That means out of 4 words, 3 words are duplicated. So this we should be very clear that whenever the letters are repeating, we should divide with the how many times each letter is repeating. Now, with this understanding, we can easily find out the rank of a word with repetition. Let's take an example and try to solve it. We'll do more in coming sessions. In this session, we will do couple of examples. Let us say, suppose we have been given a word Ajanta, AJANTA. We have been told that take all the letters whatever is available in Ajanta and put them in the dictionary order using only that letters AJNT. Can we find out how many words can be formed or what is the rank of a particular word? Let us say, suppose we have to find out rank of using the letters in Ajanta. I have to find out the rank of Ajanta. What is the rank of Ajanta? Or also we can find out the rank of Janata. JANATA. So first let's take down the second one and then we will take down the first one. What we have to do to find out the rank? Do you remember what we have to do to find out the rank? First we have to write them in alphabetical order. So if you write Ajanta in alphabetical order, I will have A. 3 A's are there, so I will write them as 3 A's. A over. After that A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Just go alphabetical order because dictionary is in alphabetical order. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. This is my alphabetical order. Alphabetical order is AAA, J, and T. Now we want to find out the rank of which word we want to find out the rank of Janata. So remember, okay, now we will do step by step. What we will do first now, once we have formed it in alphabetical order, we know that if I open the dictionary now with this letter A, J, and T, first I will see all letters starting with A. I'm not interested in them. I'm interested in the letters starting with J. I want Janata. That means I have to go to J first. So I don't need A's. So I will pass through them, all of them. I can safely pass through them. So I will say that first letter is fixed as A. After that I have 5 slots to be filled because Ajanta is a 6-letter word. Once A is filled, I have 5 places to be filled. And what are those letters which needs to be filled? They are A, J, N, T. These 5 letters should be filled in these 5 slots. How many options we have for that? 5 letters. Remember, always A is fixed. So when you are arranging them, you will not consider A. A is fixed, and by multiplication theorem, you want this to be arranged with A. So you have to multiply 1 into that will be that only. So don't worry about A. We are only looking into this. So total how many letters are there? Factorial 5. If they are all non-repetitive, it should be factorial 5 only. But A is repeating 2 times. So what I have to do? Just now we learned that I have to divide with 2. That will be nothing but 120 by 2 because factorial 5 is 120. 120 by 2 equal to 60. Let's remember that. Okay. Now A is over. Okay, so I have started here. A is over. What is the next one I am getting in alphabetical order after all letters of A is over? See, we have seen one letter with A. That means all the A letters are over. You don't need to look again starting with A again because it's the same only. Then after A, what is the next one? We have J. Actually, we want J, so we will strike off J. Remember, whenever you find a letter for which you want to find out the rank. Suppose say Janata, you want to find out the rank. I found J. The first thing I will do is again I have to go back because that's how it will be in dictionary. You take a letter, you will start with, let us say P, you start with PA, PAA, PAB. You understood that? So what I will do now, immediately I go to A. But I found A also. That's interesting. So I will cut off A also. After that I am interested in N. But I am finding here A. I don't want A. So I want to pass through them. I will write down J, A, A. I want to finish all the words which are starting with J, A. How many more slots I have to fill? 3 more slots I have to fill. JAA is over, then what is left out? 3 slots are left out and the words are JAA is over, I have ANT. And we know that with ANT you can form factorial 3. Factorial 3 is equal to 6. Now let's go to the next one. If I go to the next one, JAA is over, then I will have JAN. That means JAN. Once I found N, what I will do immediately? I will strike off N here and N here. What I should do? Again come back to the starting point. If I come to starting point, I have A. JANA, but I have A here also, so I can strike off A. Then I want T, but I am finding here A. So what I will do now? I don't want those words where it is JANAA and there is only one left out, that's nothing but equal to T. Or can I say this word is JANAAT? There is only one, so that's equal to 1. The last word will be, once you are done with A, you will go to T. So you will go to T. Once you strike off T, you have to go back to again starting position. There you have your A. So the last word we will have to get rank of Janata is Janata itself. JANATA. That's again 1. So total we have to do 60 plus 6 plus 2, that's equal to 68. So the rank of Janata is 68. One thing you have to understand, let's just formulate the steps here, what you have to do. I will explain this again. First what we have to do is, first we have to take the word whatever is given to us, put it in alphabetical order. Write down the word for which you want to find out the rank. See, first letter I am interested in J. If I write down alphabetical order, I am getting A. A I am not interested. So I want all the words of A to be finished. 60 words are over. Then I go to J. J I am interested, so I will strike off J. Remember, once you strike off a particular letter, immediately you have to go to the starting point and see what is my first letter alphabetically. If I strike off J, if I go back, I get A. A is also there with me. So next after that I see A, JAA, but I want JAN. That means I can safely pass through JAA words. So all words starting with JAA I will pass through, then I will go to JAN. AA. Like this we will be doing the Janata. So let's do also Ajanta. So Ajanta, we want to find out the rank of the word. So we will put them again in alphabetical order. Triple A 3 times. After that J I have. After that I have N and I have T. Again we will start the same exercise. Remember, always you have to start with the first letter and we need A. Here we have A. So what we will do? We'll strike off A. A we will strike off. After that I am interested in J. But what I am having here? I am having AA. I don't want the words starting with AA. I want to pass through them. So what I will do now? I will write down AA. After that 4 slots to be filled. With what are those words we will find out. AA is gone. Then I have AJNT is left out. And there are no repetitions there, so I can safely say factorial 4. Now once I am done with A, I will go to J. J I want, so I will strike off J. And you know, once you strike off a word, letter, again you have to come back. When you come back, what is the first one we see? A. Again I want A also, so I am happy I got A. But after A I need N, but I have A. That means I don't want those words. So I will write down A, J, A. Only 2 are left out. 2 words, two letters to be filled. We will say they are NT. So that's nothing but equal to factorial 2. Then AJ, AA is over. Then you will go to TN. That means you are talking about now AJAN. Once I go to N, I see N, then immediately I strike it off. Again I go back. When I go back, I see A, but actually I want T. That means I have to go a further more. So I don't want these words. So I will write down AJNA. 5 are over, only one is left out actually, that is T, or you can say the word itself is AJANAT, which is 1, and the last one is after AJANA I go to T. T I need it, so I will go and cut it off. Again I go back to the starting point, I find out A. So that's nothing but our rank of the word Ajanta. So the last one will be AJAN TA, which is equal to 1, which is, so if you add them, factorial 4 is 24, 4 3 2, factorial 2 is 2, 1 is 1, 1 is 1, you just add them up, you get 28. So the rank of Ajanta is 28, whereas the rank of Janata is 68. What I want you to do now, practice to success. You want to get success, then try rank of success, and also try Google, Google. If you are more interested, you can try independence, or you can try Mississippi, or you can try mathematics, which I think will be a very big number, but you can try it out. Mathematics you can try Mississippi, you can try success, you can try Google it, find out the rank of Google. Maybe next session we will do rank of word success and Google. So in this session what we understood that the basic difference between finding out rank of a word with repetition or without repetition is, whenever there is some letters are repeating, when we want to find out how many arrangements we can do when you are starting with a particular number, so you have to divide by how many times a particular letter is repeating. If suppose two letters are repeating 2 and 3 times respectively, you have to divide with factorial 2 into factorial 3. Like you take madam, M-A-D-A-M. So total are 5 letters. If there are no repetitions, it should be factorial 5 120. But since M and A are repeating 2 times, we will have factorial 5 by factorial 2 into factorial 2. So we have taken now example of Ajanta, all the letters which are there in Ajanta, and try to find out the rank of the word in, if you written in dictionary using only the letters A, J and T, what will be the rank of the word Ajanta and Janata? We found them to be 28 and 68 respectively. So I hope you understood that little bit. We will do more examples, you will get more familiar and you will get more confidence. Thanks for your time and support and also your feedback. Bye for now.